Hello, good day everyone. My name is Adrian, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a mandatory roaming profile. So the first thing to do is open up your file explorer, go to local disk, and we're going to create a new folder. And I'm just going to name this folder MR Profiles, which is mandatory roaming profiles. Okay, the next step, we're going to right click on that same file we have just created, go to properties, and we're going to share this file. So we're going to click sharing, advanced sharing. We're going to select share this folder and go to permissions, and we're going to allow permissions for everyone. So click apply and OK, apply and OK again. And before we close this, you're going to want to get this network path here. So I'm going to highlight this and copy it. Alright, now you close this. Next step, we're going to go to our server manager, go to tools and active directory users and computers. Now we're going to go to users and create a new user. These two users here was from my last video of group policies, so we're not going to use them. We're going to go to this user file here and we're going to create a new one. Click new user. And I'm just going to name this user username. And their logon name will be username as well. Alright, click next. And here I'm going to select user cannot change password. Oh, first I'm going to deselect user must change password and select the both of those. And I'm going to just give this user a simple password. Click next and finish. Okay, so we're going to go to username, right click and go to properties. And we're going to go to member of. We're going to click add, advanced, and find now. And I'm going to select the backup operators. Okay. And I'm going to click apply and OK. Okay, actually we're going to go back to username, right click, go to properties and go to profile. And here we're going to paste the network path we have just copied. I'm going to type in a backslash and username. And then I'm going to go select connect and repeat what I did above. Click OK. Now for this step, I'm gonna actually log out of this administrator account and I'm going to log into that username account. And type in the username, which is username and the password. Okay, I'm gonna wait for everything to load up. And now I'm going to sign back out of this account and go back into the administrator account. I'm just doing this so everything could connect. Okay, and now we are back. So the next step, I'm going to open File Explorer, and I'm going to go to local disk, users, and as you can see, our user we have created is there. So I'm going to open that folder, and I'm going to select View and View Hidden Items. So there's a specific file we are looking for, so I'm going to go back to View, and I'm going to go to Options and click Change Folder. And I'm going to click View, and down here I'm going to check off or uncheck these 4 options here. Click yes and apply and OK. And as you can see, we have a lot more files. So if we scroll down, you can see these 3 files here. So this file here is the main file, ntuser.dat. So we're going to right click and rename this file to ntuser.man, which is mandatory. That's how we make the roaming profile mandatory. So click yes again. And these other 2 files, we're just going to delete it since we don't have any use for it. Alright, now I'm going to go back again, and okay, I'm actually going to go back to View and recheck our hidden items. Okay, good. Now we're going to go back to users, and we're going to rename this username file as username.v2. Okay, and we're going to copy this file. I'm going to go back and go to the MR profiles folder we have created first, and here, actually I'm going to go back to user and I'm going to rename back this file with a capital V just in case. Just in case there's a problem. So yeah, now I'm going to copy back this, and we're going to go back to the mandatory roaming profiles folder. Here, I'm going to select this and rename it. Oh, so we need to make the administrator the owner of this folder. So actually, we're going to right click on username.v2 and go to properties. We're going to go to security and click on advanced. Here I'm going to click change, and here I'm going to enter the object name as administrator because we want the administrator to be the owner of this file. Here I'm going to select administrator, click OK, and we're going to select replace owner to subcontainers and objects. Click apply, click yes, and click OK. Now we can rename the folder. So I'm going to rename it username.v2.old. Okay, now I'm going to paste the other file we have copied. Alright, and now we're going to go back. We're going to go back to the users file, and we're going to rename that from username.v2, and we're just going to remove the .v2. And now I'm going to close this off, and I'm going to sign out and sign in the username account. Okay, and I'm going to open up File Explorer, and I'm going to right click on this PC, go to properties, and here I'm going to click on change settings, and I'm going to enter my administrator username and password. And this part is just to show you that we have created a mandatory roaming profile. So just click yes, go to advanced and user profiles, go to user profile settings. And there it is. As you can see, we have created a mandatory roaming profile. Yeah, and that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope you all learned something new. And yeah, that's it.